Also tonight, a big ruling in a battle over noise.
The music venue Shady Park in Tempe just winning its appeal in an ongoing dispute with a senior living high-rise across the street called Mirabella at ASU.
ABC15's Venton Blandon has been covering this back and forth for months now, and he's near Mill and University, breaking down what this latest decision means.
A new chapter in a neighborhood showdown in Tempe. Shady Park winning the latest round in an ongoing legal dispute with Mirabella at ASU. A judge lifting an injunction against the music venue put in place after the senior living community across the street filed a lawsuit. Frank Wirtz is one of many who live at Mirabella.
They played music so loud where we live right here, and it kept us awake.
The senior living high-rise opened while Shady Park was dealing with COVID restrictions. But when the concerts picked back up, Mirabella residents made complaints about all the noise. Shady Park was then hit with an injunction, cracking down on decibel levels and limiting the times of concerts. But Thursday, those restrictions were lifted.
Well, this is undeniably a huge win for Shady Park and the city of Tempe.
People in Tempe had spoken against the injunction and protested in April. Members of the Tempe City Council voted to publicly support the music venue's appeal.
I have no doubt the city will continue to stand with Shady Park because we had issues with the ruling itself as far as the powers that it took away from the city to govern our own downtown.
Brandy Walker, a proud ASU Sun Devil, is glad the injunction is lifted.
I went there, my daughter went there. Wonderful school, but wouldn't want to live here on Mill Avenue. Of course it's loud.
At the end of the day, Frank Wirtz and Councilman Randy Keating are hopeful, and they want both sides from Mirabella at ASU and Shady Park to come together.
The fact of the matter is, whether you're Shady Park or you're residents of Mirabella, you have a right to live and work in downtown Tempe and do so peacefully.
I think they should have waited and had a hearing and had both sides talk about it instead of just making an arbitrary decision.
The legal battle's still far from over. The case now goes back to Superior Court. Mirabella says they're still seeking a permanent injunction. In Tempe, Vincent Blandon, ABC 15, Arizona.